This is a very unique and old water fountain. This is in Bar Harbor, Maine. If you notice, I want to show you the design, the details in this. Look at that. And if you look on this next layer, this is where the water comes out of. Look at that. This is showing you the complete design, bottom up. That's everyone making a wish. But it's plenty big. It's got a beautiful base. Plenty of walking to walk all around. Alright, and there you go. This is in Bar Harbor, Maine. Right in the park.